Urban solar farming is an innovative business model that allows you to invest in a rapidly expanding sustainable industry. Through Fedgroup, you can purchase a Tier 1 solar panel for 6,000 Rand. This is the highest quality panel available, with a lifespan of 20 years and low maintenance requirements. Your panel is also fully insured for the duration of its lifespan, and our suppliers are responsible for installation and maintenance costs. Once you've purchased your solar panel, it is installed on a commercial property, such as an office park, manufacturer, or shopping center. Large properties create economies of scale for better returns. Commercial landlords opt for solar panels because they provide electricity at a lower rate per kilowatt hours that costs up to 20% less than energy from the grid. Our service provider operates the panels. The landlord pays a monthly rental based on the performance of the panels, and your returns are paid out monthly into your Fedgroup wallet on the app. Fedgroup's solar farming partner is Emergent Energy, the most experienced solar company in South Africa, with over 80 large-scale projects at commercial and industrial sites. This makes them the perfect provider to install, maintain, and manage your solar panels. Emergent Energy is owned by Fedgroup and has already deployed over 700 million Rand into solar projects. The environmentally friendly quality of solar energy allows for better tax breaks, and over the longer term, your investment pays itself back. Each year, your returns increase as the energy price increases. By year 20, your returns will reach up to 42%. That means if you invest 6,000 Rand, you could expect to earn 23,000 Rand over 20 years. That's an average profit of 10% per annum. As fossil fuel supplies become more expensive and environmental impact awareness grows, so does the demand for a cheaper, cleaner source of energy, and sunny South Africa is a prime candidate for solar farming. Be at the front line of innovation by investing in urban solar farming today.